Welcome to this Cluster Control quick demo. In this video, we'll explore the hybrid operations available in Cluster Control. You might wonder where you can deploy a Cluster Control environment. The answer is simple. You can deploy Cluster Control anywhere. This could be on-prem, in the cloud, or in a co-located environment, as long as you have a connection to wherever your database clusters are hosted. On the Cluster Control dashboard, you can navigate through these menus to view all clusters, nodes, backups, activities, operational reports, user management, and settings. On the right, there's an interactive graph that provides a quick overview of your cluster, status, nodes, and recent alarms. Hovering over each database cluster displays a topology overview, including its name and other basic information about the cluster. You can deploy a new cluster or import an existing one into Cluster Control by clicking the Deploy a Cluster button. From here, you have two options. Create a new database cluster based on the supported database you select, or import an existing database cluster. We can select one of our clusters to take a closer look. Upon clicking the cluster, you'll see dashboards displaying nodes, performance metrics, backups, alarms, jobs, logs, reports, management options, and various settings you can configure. For the nodes, we have a holistic view of all the nodes within the database cluster, including the load balancer. We can see that these nodes are operational, and we can perform specific actions on each one. You can schedule the primary node for maintenance, SSH into the node's console, reboot the node, stop it, or start it. For this cluster, auto recovery is enabled. If the primary node fails, it will automatically fail over to the replica node while also attempting to repair and rebuild the failed node. We can review the backups for this particular cluster, and you'll see that only one backup was created about 7 months ago. You can create a new backup at any time. There are different options available, including on-demand backups and scheduled backups. Additionally, you can restore the cluster from a specific backup. The Activity Center displays everything happening in the Cluster Control environment, including alarms. Currently, there are no alarms in this environment. You can also view all jobs, both completed and ongoing, and an audit log that records actions performed in the environment and who performed them. So you can see that user DotaZ created an error report for this particular cluster at a certain time. We can generate various operational reports for each cluster, including system reports, incident reports, database availability reports, and upgrade reports. To create a report, simply click Create Report, select the cluster, choose the type of report, and specify the date range. You can choose a date range for these reports, such as 10 days, 30 days, or even 365 days, depending on your needs. Additionally, you can send these reports to a specific email recipient. For example, you can add your email, and the report will be sent directly to your inbox. Next, let's take a look at Cluster Control's user management features. What's a management platform without access control? Cluster Control supports integration with directory services like Active Directory, FreeIPA, and OpenLDAP. This allows users to log in to Cluster Control using their existing corporate credentials instead of creating new credentials. LDAP groups can be mapped to a specific Cluster Control user group, allowing you to apply privileges to that group. This ensures that Cluster Control authorizes the logged-in user based on their assigned group. The Settings section includes general profile settings as well as cloud storage credentials, allowing you to stream backups from Cluster Control to external storage like AWS S3. You can also connect Slack to your database clusters to receive notifications on critical or general events. Additionally, the Settings section covers certificate management for TLS and other security certifications for your database clusters, as well as managing your Cluster Control license, which unlocks all features of the platform. And there you have it, a single pane of glass management console that enables you to perform hybrid operations across your entire database infrastructure. You can explore Clustercontrol's hybrid operations features yourself using our sandbox environment. Go to severalnines.com/clustercontrol to get started.